Are you experiencing erectile dysfunction? Many middle-aged men begin experiencing this phenomenon in their 30s and 40s. I did too, and cured it. I'm going to explain how I started getting hard as a rock again in my mid-40s and how you can too. Hello, welcome to Allure Psychology, where we do informative videos about attraction, dating, and self-improvement. Before we begin, I'll ask that you subscribe if this is content that you enjoy watching. Now to the video. When I was in my mid-40s, I met a sexy woman who was 30. We started dating and eventually married. But when we first met, let's just say my sex drive wasn't up to par. Here I am with this beautiful young woman hitting her sexual prime and I can't get it up. About a year into our relationship, I decided I wanted to have lots of great sex. I looked in the mirror and realized a few things. I wasn't old enough to give up on my sex life and I was seriously out of shape. I had to change. The first change I made was changing how I ate. I severely limited carbs and started eating more animal fats. I realized that sex hormones were dependent upon saturated fats, so instead of passing by that fatty cut of meat, I bought it and cooked it. If you lower your carbs, give up processed foods and eat more meat, your body will respond, lose weight, and you'll notice that your sex drive will improve along with your erection. It's so simple, but most people don't even consider that diet can cure many things, including a terrible sex life. There are many resources online about how to eat a ketogenic or carnivore diet. Those will help. The second thing that I changed is how I used nicotine. I realized how smoking made me feel. I was always exhausted and had a hard time breathing. One evening I was talking to my friend on the phone. He told me about how vaping had helped his breathing. I gave it a try. A few months after, my lungs started healing, my oxygen levels increased, and so did my ability to get a hard erection. If you don't need nicotine, don't start. But if I had to pick between smoking or vaping for health, I'd pick vaping every time. And those are the changes I made to cure my erectile dysfunction. A healthier you will lead to a better sex life. We'll see you next time.